Apple has always done things on its own, with little care for the influence of its peers, and nowhere is that more obvious than how split screen works on macOS. For much of the Mac's lifespan, Apple's version of split screen came down to requiring users to manually resize windows for side-by-side viewing. Of course, Apple did finally add support for auto-resizing split screen around a decade ago, but it still works differently than Microsoft's Snap tool for Windows. Let's take a look at how split screen works on macOS. If you're using Catalina or later, split screen comes down to the little green icon in the top left of your window. Hover or click and hold your cursor over the green full screen button, then choose tile left or tile right to move your window to the left or right side of your monitor. macOS should automatically display your other open and active windows on the side you don't pick, and you can choose which app to open on the other side. Now, if you're on an older version of macOS, you can still use split screen, but your instructions are just a bit different. Start by clicking and holding the full screen button in the top left corner, then wait for the window to shrink. Drag it to the left or right side of the display, then release to auto-resize your app. Just as before, select a window on the other side of the screen to open both apps in split screen. If you can't enter split screen view, head to your system preferences, click Mission Control, and make sure that displays have separate spaces is enabled. Finally, you can exit split view by clicking on the full screen button one more time. Your other window will switch to full screen view, and you can choose to leave that display as well. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering macOS and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.